Hello everyone, good evening, and we are over here on the new session. As you can see, we are at a bit of very weird situation. Let's go from the bigger time frames. So recently we have taken the buy side over here, right, and then we dropped way down so much lower, and now it depends what the market is actually respecting, bullish PD arrays or bearish PD arrays, so we can determine what's the next draw. So as we are in this weekly fair value gap for now, this candle is completely respecting this fair value gap for the bullish, and the new week starts, we go down, right, and then we go up again. We are respecting this consequent encouragement, and we are bullish for now because we are respecting this fair value gap as bullish, right? Also, we go to the lower time frame. This daily fair value gap is holding the price more up. So weekly fair value gap is holding the price up. This daily fair value gap is holding the price up. You look how it's respecting the consequent encouragement, and then it went higher. And now we have this 4-hour fair value gap that market is also respecting, and that is a bearish fair value gap, right? And we have this daily fair value gap as well. So market is respecting like two bullish fair value gaps and one bearish fair value gap, and the draw we have actually is over here. So I think we are really we are bullish. The draw should be above here. I want the market to take the draw and go into this 1 hour fair value gap, and then we'll see what's getting respected and what's not getting respected. As you can see, we are respecting this bearish fair value gap also as well. We'll see what happens for now. So we have recently taken the sell side over here, all the sell side, right? We have taken the sell side. I actually want one more dip to the lower below these lows, and we go back this fair value gap again. And if the market respects this fair value gap, then I'm really sure the next draw will be here. So this is 9:30 open. We open and we dive back to this 4-hour fair value gap. We take the buy side from here. Let's see what happens, right? The next draw for now should be these lows. Again, we have unfinished business over here. Market hasn't taken all the lows yet, so that is why I'm gonna wait for it to first sweep the this sell side in order to go higher later on. Let's see what happens. So market opened right there, and it's going higher. It has just swept this buy side over here, and respecting this 4-hour fair value gaps consequent encouragement. Yeah, I really think it should go down now. these lows get taken out, and I want this fair value gap to get respected, and then these highs should run out. Let's see what happens, right? If y'all has any type of questions, please feel free to ask in the comment section. I mean, oh my god, I mean the live chat, bro. This was actually very nice sweep and respecting of this for our fair value gap. Should I use this daily fair value gap? I feel like let's just not use this daily fair value gap. It's kind of overcomplicating a lot, you know. So I'm just gonna delete this one. We have this fair value gap for now that market is respecting, so the draw would be below these lows. But as there are two fair value gaps already, the market is respecting the bullish fair value gap. So the overall draw for today should be over here, right? That's a pretty good sweep from here for now. Like it's also respecting this 1 hour fair value gap perfectly, and respecting the counter encouragement of this 4 hour fair value gap, which is good enough. And we still have unfinished business below these lows. If market takes this low and go below this fair value gap, this blue daily fair value gap, then I feel like we're gonna be taking that low as well. The London session was very solid, but I still wanted to run above those highs. There are, I'm seeing that there are 2 viewers that are watching my stream right now. Why don't you y'all come in the chat and chat with me, right? Oh, what is your name? My APZAAKLSMA Absa Kalzima. Did you took long or sell? I haven't taken right now. When I take, I actually mention in my live stream that I have taken. Like I mentioned, let me tell you. When I take short, I mention it like this. Like this, alright? So, but I haven't taken any trade yet. I'm still waiting. I'm still waiting for the trade. You don't take trades so immediately, so you gotta have to wait for like confirmations of the bias. And I appreciate your question, mate. Thank you so much. Yeah, 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 exactly. So the price action is no so bad right now. Let's look at the DXY as well, because DXY also has if impact on the market like Euro USD. Right, so the London's low have been taken out, while the DXY didn't take the highs of the London session. So we actually have bullish SMT over here. But as the market is respecting their fair value gap, I feel like it's just gonna cancel this SMT. We're kind of bullish on the bigger time frame on the DXY, but I really want market to go higher from here because we have taken all time the lows and we are respecting this fair value gap. That's a monthly fair value gap, I feel like, and we are also inside this OTE level below 50% from this low to that high. This is a discount level, so and we have equal highs over there, so the draw should be there, and also the Euro USD is gonna be bearish. Let's see. Also, there is order block monthly. Looks like we will go bullish if we get fair value gap daily. What are you talking about? Are you talking about Euro USD or the DXY? Oh, so you're talking about the DXY. Hey, right, so this is the order block you're mentioning? Gosh, it's dark here right now. Even on the monthly time frame, we are in discount range and we are bullish. We still have these highs, unfinished business there. We are actually in this range, a very weird range though. Yeah, this is the weekly fair value gap actually. Yeah, and this outer block right there. This one is a legit outer block though. And market did hit this outer block and respecting it and this gap along with the outer block, which is A plus actually. When there's outer block and there's a gap also, then it's very significant. Also, this outer block is also significant. Market did had some hard time over here, but of course it went up and then took the buy side and then rejected. So I feel like it's gonna be bullish now. I appreciate you guys if you guys subscribe and like and leave a comment, please. I remember someone subscribed to me yesterday, bro. I'm just not liking the fact that it hasn't gone back to this discount range so much. Like, look, it just hit this 50% level from this low to that high. I actually wanted to go a little bit more lower too. A little bit more lower. Goes down here. Yeah. So that is why I wanted to go a bit more lower and Euro USD to go a bit more higher. Yep. So as you can see, it's still respecting this bearish 4-hour fair value gap. I could take a trade right here. Like I could go short over here, like something like this or something like this, but I'm not taking this trade because that is quite not my style of trading. But I do want market to go lower because it's respecting that 4-hour fair value gap. I might take trades later, but I'm just not sure. It depends on the market. Thank you for the likes in the chat, mate. I saw them. I saw them. Thank you. Yeah. I just counted. I've got 63 subscribers today. Thank you a lot. It actually means a lot to me because for now, it's the beginning of my channel. I've been doing this content creation for a whole year now, and I haven't really got so much audience for now, so it really does mean a lot. I'm actually waiting for the 10 a.m. candle. The New York section actually gets a bit more serious after the 10 a.m. candle, and the London session gets more serious after 3 a.m. So we consolidated till 3 a.m. and then on 3:30 we started dropping down. And then at 4, this is the distribution phase. So the London session closes and it closes like this. It closes by going opposite. So that is a distribution. That's why I'm waiting for the 10 a.m. to come up and look for this manipulation below these lows. and then till 11 a.m. the market should do the distribution phase. Man, I'm I'm really just 1% away from blowing my account. I worked so hard on this account for a whole year and I got it passed 2 times. I got funded and everything. I'm a funded trader, y'all. Yeah, but now I'm really lacking consistency in my trades. And I don't know, my psychology has been messed up for some recent days because I had some pretty rough days. Not in trading, but outside of trading, I had pretty rough days that I feel like has impacted my trading a lot. And I'm down on drawdown, and now I'm just 1% away from blowing my account. And I feel like I'm gonna blow it, but it's alright. It's alright, yeah. I'll come out on top another way. Yeah. So as you can see, it's still just trying to go higher and higher and consolidate. That's why I'm waiting for the 10 a.m. to pull up. The 10 a.m. is a serious candle. That is why there are silver bullets, right? Silver bullets are mean to give you entry in the manipulation. This is the first presented fair value gap we have over here. The market is respecting this first presented fair value gap as invariant to go even higher. Maybe it might take that high. Let's see. I turned off the indicator so it's more clean now, right? It's more clean. Yeah. So this is the measurement of this 4-hour fair value gap. This is the consequent encouragement, and this is the 25% quadrant. Consequent encouragement respected, market going down, and then coming up, now hitting this quadrant. Look at the bodies staying below this quadrant. I'll be wanting to keep respecting it if the market is gonna go down. And the 10 a.m. Is over here. If market goes back to this invariant fair value gap, this first presented after the 10 a.m., I'll take the trade. I'll be wanting it to respect the consequent encouragement, and then I'll take the trade. Let's see. Got my sell limit over here. I'll actually be wanting market to go back there to the first presented, and then my order will get filled. Let's see if it does go back there. The new hourly candle just opened. Oh, come on, man. First get my order filled. I'm gonna be still waiting. Yeah, it's alright. We also have this fair value gap we can use as invariant for our entry, but I still prefer this fair value gap. I'm not gonna rush things. It's alright. The market can take its time. Come on. I'm sorry, guys. I really have a bad PC, bro. Right, so we have this fair value gap as well. The reason I'm going to the 30-minute because it is higher than the 50-minute, and the higher the time frame is, the more there is going to be efficiency. So the 30 minutes fair value gap is much efficient than the 50 minutes fair value gap, and 1 hour minute fair value gap is less efficient than 4 hours. Same as everything, right? Oh my god, maybe I'm overcomplicating stuff. Man, just go back a little bit more, get my order filled, and then start going lower. Gosh, this short is really bad. If I use this fair value gap for entry, I'll get this short, which is quite not good. I am really trying to prefer this one. So I'm waiting it to get one more run back to this first percent fair value gap. You gotta be patient, guys. We gotta be patient. Patience is the key. Patience is everything in trading. I've been patient for too fudging long, bro. I'm only gonna be in the trade if it goes back to this fair value. I'm not gonna use any other fair value. I'm just gonna have a really bad trade and it's bad for psychology. So I'm just gonna be using that fair value gap. If a market goes there, then good. If it doesn't go there, then fine. I'm just gonna miss my trade. Whatever. Yep. Well, it's close to it. Dude, a little bit. Oh my god. Damn it, it has gone way higher now. All the bodies are respecting the first presented. I got failed here, bro. So bad. Alright, y'all, this is it for today's. Let's see what happens. Alright, I've taken this trade. It's a pretty messy trade, I know. Really messy trade. Oh, okay. We're going lower now. You see, we are respecting that for first presented fair value gap. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, this is a very good respecting. I really want market to just continue like this, and I feel like the market is just gonna go up again and take my stop loss now. But it's alright. I'm not gonna take off my trade or anything now. Yep, it's all done. Now we just gotta wait for the results. The market hasn't taken these lows yet. Alright, one more dip to the fair value gap, I feel like. It should not disrespect it now. It's consolidating over there in that fair value gap now. It's not a good sign now. Like, come on, bro. Okay, we have taken that high. That is not a good sign. Can still be bearish here. Now the market should make this fair value gap an invariant to go down. Well, now after taking that high, it really did respected this inverted fair value gap, and now I feel like it is very, it is very significant right here. So yeah, we are still bearish, and I feel like we should be good to go more lower. Yeah, let's hope for the best now. So yeah, I feel like the last struggle the market is struggling with it is this 30-minute fair value gap, which I'm not really liking. So it's alright, we're still waiting. It's kind of consolidating now. I'm not liking that the market is respecting this fair value gap. I'm gonna move my stop above that high only now because as it has taken this sell side liquidity, right? Yeah, I'm really gonna move my stop over here. Bruh, now the market is moving higher. I feel like it's not gonna take. Yeah, it might really not take the high and stop me out. Yeah. Okay, there we go. So market came down. It took this sell side, respected this 30-minute fair value gap and the OT level from this low to that high, and now we are bullish. Yep, we might go for those highs now. I feel like we are gonna disrespect this 4-hour fair value gap, and I'm done for the day. So hope you guys liked it and learned something from it. And if you did, make sure to like and subscribe and leave your any questions, whatever you want to say in the comment section. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.